To some auto shop, it's difficult to get an appointment for your even. It's difficult. But today, I found this. I saw this instant oil change. It says here instant oil change. So and I saw the cars that are in line. So I followed him and I talked to the lady in front of me. When I talked to her, I asked her if do you have to get an appointment. She said no. So it's good because I really don't have time to get an appointment 2 days, 3 days, 1 day. It's better. There's an instant oil change like this. It's very helpful. I thank the Lord. God bless this business.